Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna go through an exciting adventure through the world of Build a Boat for Treasure.
Yep, we're gonna make it to the end.
Okay guys, I've just finished the boat. Do you like it?
Yep.
It
It's
looks
gonna be
cool.
our starting boat.
Okay, let's give a first try launch. Hey, there's a new... Oh, whoa! A bunch of things are different from the last time I played.
Hey. There's a new area.
Yeah, I can see it! Wait, I just gotta do something, guys. Ah! No! We're stuck! We're stuck! No! No! No, Billy, you died! Seriously? Are you just gonna act like that? I can't get up! Guess I'll have to venture into the stages without him.
Because
Okay.
at least you'll make it to the end.
Okay, let's see the new stage. I've never seen it before. Oh, somebody's AFKing.
Whoa.
Don't worry about that.
Oh
That
yeah,
floating thing in the sky is normal. Oh, whoa! Japan! There's koi fish! I'm gonna go pet. There's koi fish. I'm gonna go pet it.
Actually, China.
I wanna go pet the... Ah! Oh no! 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 The fish are evil. Help.
You're dead meat.
I'm still standing. Oh no! Oh no!
Now
Guys,
you're not standing.
I don't think I'm gonna make it to the end.
But we know
Think
you're
we'll need
gonna
to
make it
upgrade.
to.
Oh no!
Heaven.
My motor's gone! Oh no! Oh no! It's just the sea! I lost my hand! No! In short, that worked terribly. Okay, Billy's just made a boat that will hopefully get us to the end. Do you want to try, Billy?
No, you can drive.
Okay, then let's go. I hope this makes it much better than our last boat.
Probably will. It's made out of bricks.
And I hope we get to the end this time. Oh, actually, that's a lot of stages. I think we're gonna have to upgrade one more time before we can get there. Heck, maybe even twice. Hey, look, it's a treasure chest. Oh no, I fell! We fell!
Get into the waterfall. Right now.
Yeet! No!
Just gotta get out. So we can get this chest.
Let's go get the chest. That falling was totally planned out. 100%. Where'd it go? Must have been an illusion. Let's go back.
But I saw it too.
Yeah, it must just be an illusion. We have to go back. Reset character.
But I actually saw a chest there.
Yeah, I did. Okay, guys. Now, we've been showing you the small boats which we've made before. When we've played this before, and we have lots of things. Look at this sidebar. Oops. Look at this sidebar. I mean, look at all the things we have. That's just one of the sections.
Check this out.
Yeah. This is the To The End Express that we made. That will get you to the end almost every time, guaranteed.
We hope.
Billy.
Okay,
I'm
you
the
can
driver.
drive. Fine. I made it though.
I'm the driver. I'm the best at driving.
I saw you crash this plane once.
Off topic. Let's go. Don't mind me, I'm just rolling.
Use the jets.
Not yet, I gotta get perfect angle. Okay, let's go.
Plus, even if down the jets on, still there.
Yeah, we're
Also,
made
the
out of
driver's seat is a
obsidian.
sacrifice.
Right. Do you want me to mess up this entire grinder?
We're gonna crash.
This is gonna be easy.
I didn't
Look at
know
how far we've gone.
I didn't know that there were tires crossing these area.
Hey, look, it's a leaf. Ooh, what's this stage? Why are there holes everywhere?
It looks like Paradise Palms from Fortnite.
Yeah, you're kind of right though. Okay, next stage. Let's check it out. And
This is the
ooh, we got the Naruto stage. Wait, isn't it just the Japanese stage? Makes enough sense.
Wow, they're missing.
They can't hit their shots. Kind of like Naruto in real anime. Ooh, painting. Did you know that's actually my favorite subject?
Yep, oh, it's my favorite too.
Okay, next area.
Shrek Swamp.
Wait, it's the Shrek Swamp. Oh my god. Oh no, we fell.
Hold on. If it's the Shrek Swamp, I have to pull out the best line ever. Oh, Mama! It's the Shrokatron!
That's now what we're naming our vehicle. The Shrokatron. Oh no.
That's our new motto.
Oh no.
Press Q, Benny.
No.
Trust me, press Q.
Sure. Nothing happened. No, we gotta escape.
No, you gotta go
I can't.
until the washing machine closes. Why don't you just go along that edge?
Oh yeah, you're right. No, no, we fell. Uh-oh.
Lucky
Oh.
you didn't touch it.
Oh. Hey, we're still alive. Yeah. Wait, I kind of expected I'd be dead.
Same.
Whatever.
But at least this vehicle takes us to the end.
Yeah, I hope it does. Because we haven't been to the end yet, have we?
Nope, but it's still in full shape. Kind of.
Yeah, I guess.
One of the wings is messed up, but
Boink.
who cares?
Whee! Hit the toothbrushes! Wait, I just realized. How can I spin?
That's just a jet.
Ah.
Watch out for crocodiles and mostly toads. Toads.
You can find toads? No, I need to escape! I need to escape! Hey! Oh no! Billy! Wait, we've made it to the end section.
I've been eaten by crocodiles.
Oh no! Wait,
I've been eaten by crocodiles.
oh my god! Look at how
Billy has
far
been
this is
eaten
going.
by crocodiles and will not be in the boat anymore.
Oh no, I fell off!
And
I
by
fell
the
off
way,
the
Benny
boat.
might die.
I fell off the boat! No, I gotta get back in! Ah! Yay! I'm back in the boat! I might. Oh my god! We're so close! Well, I'm so close! No!
Well,
I fell.
you and the
I
viewers.
fell again! I died! We were so close, guys. Although, when we were doing this, I thought of a cool glitch that we could have used.
Oh, the hinge on ice one?
Yeah, let's try the hinge on ice glitch.
Oh, I got a
So-
chest.
So, to make the hinge on ice glitch, first, you grab 5 ice, and you place it all around. And then, you grab the hinge block. The hinge block is the block that makes this glitch possible. You press the up button once, then you stand on top of
Oh man.
then you stand on top of the of the hinge. Then you place a butter block. Then jump, and if you're like this and you can't jump, then you're good. If you want, you can eat candy. And that makes you even better. Highly recommended. Now Billy's just gonna place his glue. Billy, stand on top of your block. But Billy, oh yeah. Yeah. Facts. Facts. Speaking facts.
Why can't I move right now? Why won't I just go onto the hinge?
Bro, it's taking you so long. It's been like 3 minutes. Okay, now you can launch boat. And because we've placed the hinge block, we can fly. Ah! Oh no. It's spinning. I gotta stop spinning. Otherwise this glitch doesn't like to be work. Okay, let's go. Let's go into the stages. Ooh, look! Clock stage. And again, the cherry blossom stage. And, oh wait, a new stage has come in. It's the movie stage. Ooh, the Japanese stage. Sorry, the Naruto stage. And the painting stage back.
Stage you aren't.
Now it is the cabin stage. Now the washing machine stage.
You mean
and
the
Shockatron stage. Then the lighthouse stage. And now the end. We've made it to the end. What that means, guys? That means we are about to get some treasure.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, let's get to the treasure chest. And drop. And if I press the glue, I drop. Then I go to the end. Then we try to get smooshed. Yeah. And now it's my turn to get the chest. And a gold block.
These will become useful in our next build.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's about the time we have for this video. Thanks for watching, and most of all, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Next time, we will have an even greater adventure in Build a Boat for Treasure.